Welcome back, everybody. So glad you can be here with me today. Walter here at the workbench. UPS truck showed up, delivered something I ordered before the accident. We'll use it in the future, but it ties in with another thought process I had years ago. And I'm not going to let this sit as long as I did those. So, my wonky blade, because I broke my other one and can't find replacements for it, I'm going to have to get rid of this and get a new knife. So I called my good friends at LeeValley Tools and I inquired about some parts. Wow, that's a big box for what I ordered. So I did a special order. A lot of people don't think about special orders. And I hope I don't hear anything else. Oh, they forgot something. I guess I did not communicate clearly enough. No, I didn't. I ordered, and maybe it's coming under separate cover. I ordered some screws for chip breakers. Now, these happen to be Hawk screws. So these will fit different Hawk iron chip breakers, and they should fit. I'm thinking they will fit standard chip breakers. You know, I'm feeling a lot like, like Michael Jackson. I should get myself a real fancy glove. That's dating myself, isn't it? Michael Jackson's glove. Next, you'll be hearing me talk about OJ and his gloves, right? So, there's supposed to be two different screws in here. Aha. These are slightly longer than those, and they don't fit. So, it looks like I wasted my money. Apparently, the Hawk screws have a smaller, let's see if I can do this. They have a smaller thread diameter than a standard Stanley or record. Well, that's disappointing. On a positive note, there were two other items in the package. One of which was just on special. That's good enough for that for now. Let's put these screws away. I can't afford to return them, so if anyone needs chip breaker screws for your Hawk blade set, let me know. I have them. It wasn't a lot of money. It was $7 for 4 screws. I did pick up a set of their little stainless steel nippers, pliers, because you can never have enough pliers, and something like this is a nice small plier for wire and other things. But the important part of this package was this. Well, actually, the important part of the package didn't show up. This, my friends, is a silicone sharpening mat. I saw this and I thought, you know, that would be a great way to keep the workbench clean. Look at that. So you put that down on your workbench. It doesn't slide. And you can put your water stones or your diamond plates or whatever you want on here, and they won't slide. Let me show you. So you take your diamond plate, put it down on there, and it doesn't move. And if you spray on here, you don't get water or oil or whatever on your bench. So, the other nice thing about this is you can wash it, and it's got holes here that you can hang it up and let it dry. Nice little product. It's not ultra cheap. I think it was under $20 US. So those are some products that I ordered from LeeValley. And I was expecting these to be larger, but that's okay. They're going to still be very useful when I need them. So that was that. Now, I will get into, in another video, some of what I wanted to talk about in this video, but being that the 2 items I ordered didn't show up, I can't talk about it. So I will mention that in another video. I hope you're having a good day, and stay sharp, stay safe. Walter out.